Prevent ants from returning after applying ant gel bait by combining targeted baiting with habitat modification and ongoing monitoring. Start by confirming the bait is attracting the species present by watching trails for at least 30 minutes to an hour after placement and moving baits closer to active trails if you see no interest. Apply bait in small amounts along established pathways rather than broadcasting it. That concentrates feeding and speeds colony uptake. After initial uptake, resist the urge to clean dead ants or bait residues immediately because those signals tell nestmates to continue foraging. Wait until activity drops before discreetly removing remains. Seal obvious entry points using silicone caulk for gaps larger than 1/4 inch and copper mesh or expanding foam for larger voids. Prioritize gaps around pipes, utility lines, and window frames. Change sanitation habits by storing pantry items in rigid plastic or glass with tight lids, wiping counters after every use with a mild detergent, and eliminating loose pet food dishes overnight. Outside the structure, clear leaf litter and wood piles at least 3 feet from foundations, keep irrigation away from the foundation to reduce moisture, and inspect and trim vegetation that touches the building so ants do not use branches as bridges. Common mistakes include treating only visible ants and not addressing the nest. If you focus solely on foragers, you will see temporary relief. So, follow trails to locate nests and maintain bait stations until no activity is detected for several days. Relying on sprays right after baiting can contaminate the bait and repel ants from feeding, so avoid broadcast insecticides near bait stations and use sprays only for localized confirmed nest treatments if needed. Neglecting ongoing monitoring and sanitation leads to reinfestation because new scouts will find fresh food sources. Schedule brief weekly inspections of likely entry points and food areas, and reapply bait sparingly when you detect renewed scouting. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by helping people find local professionals and offering a discussion community where we share tips and ask questions about pest prevention and repairs. We help contractors find new work through our listings while homeowners use our forums to learn practical steps and swap experiences.